Good day, I'm Gianmi Iniego from BSFT 1A. Today, I will present example of materials classified as element, compound, homogeneous mixture, and heterogeneous mixture for our topic on matter. So let's begin. This is aluminum foil. It is classified as an element because it is made of only one type of atom, which is aluminum. It cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. So next is salt, chemically called sodium chloride. It is a compound because it is made from two different elements, sodium and chlorine, that are chemically combined in a fixed ratio. This is vinegar. It is a homogeneous mixture because it has a uniform composition throughout acetic acid is evenly dissolved in water, and you cannot distinguish the individual components. This is glass of soda with ice cubes. It is a heterogeneous mixture because the ice and soda remain as distinct parts. The ice floats or sink separately, and you can clearly see and physically separate it from the liquid. In summary, aluminum foil is an element, and the salt is a compound, and a vinegar is a homogeneous mixture, and the last one is the ice cube in soda, which is a heterogeneous mixture. So that's our topic for today. Thank you.